Do you know what the top 5 Key West all-inclusive resorts are? Firstly, open the app trip.com. If you haven't had it on your phone, you may click the link below in the description box to get it. Click on hotels and then search for the following hotels by their names. The first one is Little Palm Island Resort and Spa. The second one is Parrot Peak Hotel and Villas. The third one is Pier House Resort and Spa. The fourth one is Sunset Key Cottages. And the fifth one is Santa Maria Suites Resort. Simply click on the offer and you may book the hotel right away.